Hey, what's up, everybody? I decided to make a video on the weather we're having. Yeah, it's pretty much a crappy day out. Man, you can see the fog over there. I think. Yeah, my breath is like steaming. So every time I like breathe or talk or something, I see like steam coming out of my mouth. Which is pretty much my breath or something. I have no idea. Well, I tell you I do. Alright. Yeah, take a look at the sky. Yeah, it's pretty much foggy over there, as you can see.
What?
Well, I'm gonna go back inside here. It's pretty cold out here. We're actually getting freezing rain here. And so, yeah, so leave a like if you enjoy and subscribe if you want. And I'll see you in the next video. So, peace.